Right, sir. The way India won completely dominated this match from the beginning.
Yes, that's true. I mean, I had earlier also said that our team is in full form. All the players are there fully fit and they are willing to take on Pakistan, and which they.
Virat Kohli, again a big match player, rose to the occasion when it mattered the most, came up with a century. Scintillating, not scintillating, but then, yeah, very crafty century.
Today's knock was fabulous. I mean, everybody can, the way he made 100 runs and provide stability to Indian score, I think nobody can do it.
Shreyas also played well, sir.
Shreyas also played very well, and Shubman Gill also played very well. So all these players, they are.
The
really
team
in
looks
form.
well oiled for the semi-finals. Now it's only a matter
I
of
think it's well,
academic.
Team looks well ahead for the finals.
You know, match against Pakistan is always very special. And if you could see, people have flown in from India and from other parts of the world to see this India-Pakistan game. And I'm glad to say this, that India has done it again. India has won the game convincingly from the first ball till the last ball. India was in the command, and India has been able to prove it time and again and win the matches. And this time again, India has won the game, and Virat Kohli has scored a beautiful century under pressure. When there was a lot of pressure of the India-Pakistan game, he has shown how he can handle the pressure well, how he can play for the country. And again, Virat's outstanding knock, I think he has won many hearts and won the game for India.
It was a very tense situation. 12 balls remaining to win, and 12 balls Kohli needed to score for a century. He still managed it. Not only a sign of a true champion, but also the way he managed his innings.
I think if you look at Virat's inning, he never went outright for his century. For him, the priority was the India's win. He was rotating the strike. He was not going for his runs only, but he wanted to play till the last and win the match for India. I think that is a big thing about Virat Kohli and such big people or big players. For them, the individual score doesn't matter much, but it is the country's victory which matters to them.
You've been a BCCI president. You've been also been India's sports minister as well. Probably the first and only Indian to hold both posts. Now, you've seen this match. Would you be there to cheer for India in the match against New Zealand and also the semis and the finals?
No, I won't be coming. I just came for this game, and I'm sure Indian team is going to do well. We're going to support them sitting in India somewhere, traveling and clapping for the players, picking a wicket, taking a good catch or scoring a century or a boundary or a sixer.
And one final question, sir. When you were a BCCI president, from then to now this Indian team, what are the changes that you have seen and the way Indian team has progressed so far?
I think BCCI management has done their part. They have given all the facilities and the amenities required. At the same time, the players have done their hard work, prepared well for these kind of tournaments, from winning the World Cup to playing well in the Champions Trophy. And I'm sure they're going to do well in the upcoming games as well.
It's never a formality. Cricket is such a game that you have to play it out. And the way Team India played today, it was a fabulous game to watch, and all credit goes to the team, the way they played, the way they bowled first, and the way Virat played throughout the inning. And big congratulations to everyone. It was a great game to watch, and I'm sure the entire country was waiting for Virat's 100 to come back to form.
Yeah.
And the way he played today, it was a fantastic innings too.
If you have to remember this game, and now India is virtually through to the semi-finals and probably reach the finals as well. Overwhelming favourites from here on?
Definitely. The way they have played last two games and won it comprehensively. We have a good game against New Zealand on the coming Sunday. We are hoping that India will get to win that also. And going by the form, the way our bowlers have bowled, both our seamers and spinners, and the way the batting unit has come together, I'm pretty sure that we have a good tournament.
One final question. How has the IPL played a role in India's victory in the ICC tournaments from time to time?
Well, definitely, if you look at the bench strength now, and IPL not only for Indian cricket, it has transformed the cricket world over. The kind of transformation that has happened in Test game, you hardly see any game going for a draw now. everybody is going to win. That is the change of attitude that has happened over the years, and that is good for the game. 250, 300 used to be a good score in a 50 over game. Now you see that kind of score in a 20 over game. So that has made the cricket very, very interesting, and that is why you have this new audience hooking on to cricket, and that augurs well for the game.